Hello, and welcome to our final port of call on our Alaskan cruise. As you can see, we're about to visit the Buchart Gardens here in Canada. It's going to be an interesting one. Welcome to Victoria, Canada. So as we exited the ship, we decided to take a look at the map because we were looking for where the buses would be for our excursion. And so here's a picture of the map in case any of you want to see it. Now, when I say our excursion, we were headed to these Buchart Gardens, and Royal Caribbean had provided its Visa card holders with this free excursion to go visit that area. And as you can see, the buses were located just outside of the ship. How convenient. So along the way, we got to see this interesting beach with all of these logs all over the place. And even from where we were, we could see a part of Seattle. Check out the deer.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
After about a 45-minute tour, we had arrived at the Buchart Gardens. Here's the cost to enter, and this place was absolutely beautiful. I decided to get a picture of the map and the guide so that you can see just how stunning this place was, and it was absolutely huge too. Now, when I say this place was beautiful, I mean it was absolutely gorgeous. There were flowers of every kind and of every color, and there were waterfalls and there were koi ponds. I mean, just take it all in. Now, as beautiful as this place was, it was hot. I mean, we had even changed clothes. It was so hot. So we decided to find the air-conditioned area where the gift shop was and where we could get something to cool us off. While we were looking for that, we realized that the next day was Canada Day. And so we found the gift shop, air-conditioned, of course, that was celebrating Canada Day and all of its splendor. Here's some of the decor that they had out. And before you knew it, we found some ice cream because we were hot. After about 3 hours, it was time for us to head back to the bus. We made it back to Mr. Bob.
Hello there.
Hey, Bob.
Right in the heart of downtown Sydney. So you've got a view of the Inner Harbor coming up here now as well. And you have some folks that are interested in maybe walking back to the cruise ship or taking a cab back.
Wait, did he just say we can get off and explore on our own? Yep, we will absolutely take that option. We couldn't wait to get off the bus and walk around British Victoria, Canada to see what it had to offer. The sights were beautiful. The weather was amazing. We got to see planes coming in onto the water directly, helicopter rides, boat rides that were taking people out on whale watching adventures. Yeah, we absolutely were going to take that experience. I have to admit, the scenery was amazing and the people were super, super friendly. It was just a great place to visit and everyone should. So about 5 minutes away from that pier, we were able to come upon this area. There were lots of shopping going on, people watching. You were able to buy trinkets and buy local food there. As you can see, it was hustling and bustling with crowds of people everywhere, but the vibe was amazing. After being full-on tourists and doing the corny things like this, we decided to head back to the ship via water taxi. It was pretty inexpensive and it wasn't crowded at all. It was about a 5-minute ride to an area called Fisherman's Wharf, and I would definitely recommend you attend Fisherman's Wharf. Now, Fisherman's Wharf was a lively area. There was different types of food, there was people everywhere, the music was going. I would definitely suggest this place as it's only about 15 minutes from the pier. Now, we could have taken several different modes of transportation to get back to the ship, but we decided that we would walk the area and see just how long it took and what sights we could see. As you can see, there were people riding their bicycles, some people were walking, and before you know it, there was the ship right in our eyesight. It only took us about 15 minutes to walk from Fisherman's Wharf to here, but it was absolutely well worth it. And here we are. We made it back, going back through security. And of course, you know we had to get our typical tourist attraction picture. Yep. And next you know, we were back on the ship. Thanks for watching.